Hi, hello everyone. This is RB 3+3, same Securemme 3+3 lock, anti-pick on the levers. This is the tool you need to use first to break this. This I break before I start this video. You can see is torn very clear. This is what I cut. You can see this. Now, after you do it, you take the self-impressioning tool, you insert it. It's very important to be on the correct depth. This is the first turn, you can see. And now we reset to make the second turn. Three, 1, 2, 3. This is the pins, they reset. You insert the tool very gentle and you start buffing. And this is the second turn. This is the second map. I show you the lock. So this RB company is like same as Securemme inside the levers. You can see. This is what we break. If you don't use this power tool, you can't insert the tool. You must use this first, and after you cut this, you insert the tool. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.